Welcome back guys to a new episode of BreakIT, FixIT. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how to fix the EGR of a Renault MEGANE 2003. So start by removing the engine's cover, just as this, just pull it towards you, thus exposing the engine bay. So it's a bit warm, watch out when you're using your own hands. On this we're going to be using a 30mm plug. So the EGR is located right behind this, right next to the turbo. Turbo is this section right there, and the EGR is right there. See those bolts? We're going to be removing them and then cleaning it afterwards. There will be two bolts to unbolt, so once you've loosened up the first one, just go ahead and loosen up the second. That's the first bolt unbolted. Right there, as you can see, it's a size 13. After removing these two bolts, we're gonna be loosening up the support for the engine bay. This one right here. Once it's loosened, you remove it, and then there's gonna be one bolt holding the EGR. See, this is the section you're gonna be needing to remove in order to access the EGR. So, using the same plug, loosen up the bolts holding the EGR. Once you've loosened all the bolts holding the EGR, just pull it to the left, thus removing the exhaust, a part of the exhaust at least. See how black it is? We're gonna be cleaning it.
How dirty it is.
Yes. So once we've cleaned the EGR van, which is this, with a pressure hose, you're going to fitting it back in. The trick is bolting it back the way we've taken it out. So we're going to be putting it back the way we've taken it out. We start off by bolting the part holding the EGR van. So once the support bolted in, this is the section holding the engine and the EGR van together. So we're going to be bolting that as well. Once that's bolted, it will be holding the EGR van and the engine. So position it as the bolts will screw in. It's fitted with two bolts, size 13. Then tighten both bolts. Then just put the cover back in, and that's how you remove and clean the EGR van of a Renault MEGANE 2003. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.